let's install the Evenflo 360 together. Here we go. So first things first, you pop this onto your car, right? And you notice, how the heck am I tying this to my base? First, you're gonna line up these two white arrows. Then it's that easy to just pull the lever on the back and get it out of the way for now. We got to remove that first. There's no way to install this without removing first the top portion of the car seat. I'm going to make this quick and easy, so watch to the end. First things first, we're going to place this down where we're going to be obviously setting it up. This is a tethered car seat, always has to be tethered no matter what. I'm going to start by just attaching that on a loose tethered. You don't want to overly tighten yet because we're still just setting it up to install. We're placing it down. We're opening up this lever. And we're going to do the preferred method. This is seatbelt method. Preferred method is seatbelt method because you never have to remove it again. You're going to feed this through this hole on the left side of the base. If you're looking at the base, it's your left side. Then you're going to feed it through the right hole. And you're going to clip it into the corresponding seatbelt. And you're going to make sure that lower belt, which would be your lap belt, is flat and in the grooves. Then same thing with the top, the shoulder belt. You're going to make sure it's flat in the grooves. You're going to give it a little tug. Make sure there's no slack. And then you're going to not go so crazy because this is going to be the muscles of the operation. This is the beauty of this one. You don't have to like, turn purple trying to tighten for safety. You just make sure there's not any slack. Give it a final squeeze. This is going to make sure everything is tight. Push all the way down. And your belt is locked. It's green. If it's red, that means it's not locked correctly. Now we're going to get the extra slack out. Any car made after 96 will have that ratcheting sound. And now you're going to check for tightness. That base right there, it's moving maybe half an inch. I like it just a little tighter, so I'm going to use my muscles here, let it ratchet a little bit, and go just a little tighter. All right, that's less slack. I like that. Now I'm going to tighten this top tether that I already hooked on there. And it's as simple as that. We're done with the base installation. The beauty of this is that once the base is installed, it's installed forever. This 360 rotating base will rotate forever. So we're getting it back on. There's a white arrow here and a white arrow here. Just pick whichever one you want to use. I picked that one to get it on. This is a little footrest. And when you're putting baby in, you want to make sure you recline it to the specific weight that your baby is at. And you're going to use either this side or this side to rotate. Super easy. Green is on either side, this side and the door side. Green will indicate that you're safe to drive. Red means it's not locked. Do not drive until it's safely attached. This footrest is totally removable. Show you what that looks like. So in order to get this to forward-facing position, you're going to make sure recline is all the way down, and then either lever, unlock, and there you go, forward-facing. Like if you've over-tightened it, this won't lock. You see how that happened? I over-tightened it. So if this is happening to you, it was over-tightened. I'm going to show you how to uninstall. We open the lever back up. We take the seatbelt out. Nice and easy. We're uninstalled. We undo this guy, and it's all set.